Are you tired of working hard but never feeling financially free? Today I'm going to expose the hidden secrets to financial freedom that they don't want you to know. Stay with me, and by the end of this video, you will see how you can finally break free from financial struggles. I know exactly how you feel because I've been there. Stressed about bills, no savings, feeling stuck in the 9-to-5 grind. But guess what? I cracked the code, and today I'm going to share it with you. I remember the day I realized something had to change. I was working overtime, missing out on time with friends and family, but no matter how hard I worked, my bank account didn't reflect it. Sounds familiar? It was that moment I knew I had to take control of my finances. Key steps to financial freedom. There are a few things they don't teach us about money, and these are the real secrets. Number 1, mindset shift. The rich think differently about money. They see it as a tool, not a reward for hard work. You need to stop trading time for money and start thinking about value creation. Number 2, multiple income streams. Having just one source of income is risky. You need to diversify by creating passive income streams. Investments, side hustles, digital products, you name it. Number 3, smart investments. Real financial freedom comes when your money works for you, not the other way around. Start learning about stocks, real estate, or even cryptocurrency. And number 4, living below your means. This is a big one. While it's tempting to show off, the true secret to wealth is living frugally and investing the difference. Now let's bust a few myths, shall we? Number 1, you have to be born rich to be wealthy. False. 80% of millionaires are self-made. Myth number 2, saving money will make you rich. Nope. It's about investing and making your money grow. And myth number 3, oh, it's too late for me. No way! People have become millionaires in their 40s, 50s, and even later. It's never too late. Take the example of Sarah. She used to be a school teacher, barely getting by. She started applying these principles, shifting her mindset, investing in herself and her skills, and diversifying her income. Within just 2 years, she was financially independent and working because she wanted to, not because she had to. If you're ready to take charge of your financial future, hit that like button and subscribe for more content that will guide you toward financial freedom. Remember, financial freedom isn't just for the rich, it's for anyone who's willing to take control. The secrets are out, now it's up to you to use them. Thanks for watching, and remember, next video will blow your mind. How to stop working harder and start using the genius method to get rich, where I will dive even deeper into building your millionaire mindset. See you on my next video.